Good morning, everyone. Today is Friday, January 2nd, and Dad and I were planning on going snowmobiling in the PA Grand Canyon today, but everybody needs cinders, so I guess we're gonna go get cinders and maybe we'll ride tomorrow. I'll see. I'll probably make a video of riding if we do go. But we gotta get our sleds ready, and I might go get a new top for my toolbox. But we got some fresh snow overnight. Still flying. Oh yeah. This is the current state of the truck we washed the other day. Not clean anymore. We're going through Mansfield and we're gonna need fuel tomorrow, so we're grabbing our snowmobile cans to take with us. Okay, we're almost out of cinders and the next load isn't coming for a little while. So I'm gonna do a scoop of cinders and a scoop of the ones that we hauled the other day. Hopefully, I'm gonna have to scrape the snow off the top of these ones so they don't. Part about freezing weather and ones and cinders and salt, they clump so bad, and it's annoying because boss man's inside, so I gotta keep getting in and out of the skid steer and breaking them up. My camera's on the roof, standing straight up. frozen up here. You gotta be honest, the green and yellow lights look pretty tough. We were like one of the first ones in the area to do it, other than state trucks. Well, we went in to talk in there and we got free Bobcat hats, and we may have almost bought a mower. So yeah, but we bought our mini excavator and our MT100 here, so. We're at our second location, and the vibrators, this is all frozen in there. Vibrators ain't working the best for that. There's also a short in the controller, so the vibrators turn on and then they turn right back off. But we are back. We ended up not getting any gas because it's like 90 cents a gallon more expensive in Mansfield. So we're gonna get some when we go up to Horseheads today. We're pulling trucks outside because we're gonna go grab the snowmobile trailer, get the snowmobiles out. But I need a 2-inch ball. I found the hitch, but it's a small receiver, and I don't see a whatever they're called. What am I trying to say? A spacer. Yeah, I don't see a spacer or a sleeve. Well, I put that hitch back because I looked, and in Boss Man's truck there is a 2-inch hitch with a spacer. Covered in snow though. Very fun.
The salt arrived.
Well, I said we were gonna get gas earlier up here, and I kind of never recorded more, but it's $1 cheaper. Boss Man likes that. Also, we got a fresh TV. We got a new TV because our one for our security cameras broke. So we got another TV, and then that one's broke, so we returned it. We got a fresh one. Also, I think Chucky says hi. Chucky. Plus, I bit the bullet and decided to get a 27-inch side cart to bolt up to my 42-inch cart because I'm out of room in my toolbox. Here's Dad and I's helmets for tomorrow morning. Putting trucks away. There's the green and yellows. I gotta put the 2024 away. Flip our lights on. There's our green and yellows. And then number 4 flips on our bed lights. So here you go. Well, everyone, this is going to be the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching, and also, I got my toolbox put together. This was my old 42 and this is a new 27. So I will make a toolbox tour once I get more tools to fill up the 27 also.